With over 500 million users, Dropbox is one of the world's leading cloud storage and collaboration platforms that's transforming the way people work together, from the smallest business to the largest enterprise. But as Dropbox becomes a central place to access and share files, how can you ensure that important data is protected and retained beyond the native limits of Dropbox? Introducing Dropbox Backup and Archive. With a focus on simplicity, compliance, and automation, Probax protects your Dropbox data in our cloud, adding an independent layer of data protection and extending retention from months to years. Data is transferred securely and automatically between the Dropbox cloud and the Probax cloud, so you don't need to worry about a thing. For an affordable monthly cost per user, you'll receive unlimited archival retention and independent, rapid ransomware recovery capability. Data is highly accessible and ready to be restored back to your Dropbox account when you need it. Want to protect your important Dropbox data? Why not talk to Probax?